Number 1. Make your own household remedies. Grandma had a remedy for everything. Learn to make simple household remedies for common ailments like colds, headaches, and minor cuts. Use ingredients like honey, ginger, garlic, and turmeric to create natural and cost-effective solutions. Honey and ginger tea can soothe a sore throat, while a garlic and honey mixture can boost your immune system. Keep a small herbal first aid kit with homemade salves and tinctures for everyday health issues. Number 2. Create a home apothecary garden. Grandma often grew her own medicinal herbs. Create a small home apothecary garden with plants like lavender, chamomile, and peppermint. These herbs can be used for teas, salves, and natural remedies, saving you money and providing a natural first aid kit. Planting these herbs in your garden or in pots can provide you with a sustainable source of medicinal plants. Lavender can help with relaxation and sleep, while peppermint can aid digestion. Number 3. Implement a monthly financial check-in. Grandma always kept a close eye on her finances. Schedule a monthly financial check-in to review your budget, track your expenses, and set goals for the upcoming month. This habit ensures you stay on track with your financial plans and identify areas for improvement. Use a notebook or an app to record your income and expenses and analyze where you can cut costs or save more. Regular check-ins help you stay aware of your financial health and make necessary adjustments. Number 4. Organize clothing swaps. Grandma loved to share and swap clothes with friends and family. Organize clothing swap events where participants can exchange gently used items. This keeps your wardrobe fresh without spending money and fosters a sense of community. Host seasonal swaps where everyone brings items they no longer need and trades them for new to them pieces. This is an eco-friendly way to update your wardrobe and reduces waste. Number 5. Practice seasonal cooking. Grandma's meals were based on what was in season. Embrace seasonal cooking by planning meals around locally available produce. Seasonal ingredients are often cheaper and fresher, leading to better taste in meals and cost saving. Visit farmers markets to find the freshest produce and plan your meals accordingly. For example, in the summer, focus on dishes with tomatoes, zucchini, and berries, while in the winter, incorporate root vegetables and hardy greens. Number 6. Start a tool library. Grandma often borrowed tools from neighbors. Start a tool library in your community where people can borrow and lend tools. This reduces the need to buy expensive tools that are seldom used and encourages community cooperation. Create an inventory of available tools and establish a checkout system. This can include anything from gardening tools to kitchen gadgets. Sharing resources helps everyone save money and promotes a sense of community. Number 7. Make use of rainwater. Grandma used every resource wisely. Set up a rainwater harvesting system to collect water for your garden. This reduces your water bill and provides a sustainable water source for your plants. Install rain barrels under your downspouts to collect runoff from your roof. Use this water for irrigation, reducing your reliance on municipal water and conserving a precious resource. This system can be as simple or complex as you like, from basic barrels to more sophisticated setups with filtration. Number 8. DIY holiday decorations. Grandma made her own holiday decorations. Gather materials like pine cones, branches, and old fabrics to create unique and festive decorations. This saves money and adds a personal touch to your celebrations. Crafting your own decorations can become a fun family tradition. Make wreaths, garlands, and ornaments using natural and recycled materials. Not only does this save money, but it also reduces the environmental impact of store-bought decorations. Number 9. Learn to forage. Grandma knew where to find free food. Learn the basics of foraging for wild edible plants and mushrooms. This can be a fun and rewarding way to supplement your diet with free, nutritious food. Ensure you research and only forage what you can positively identify as safe to eat. Join local foraging groups or take classes to learn about edible plants in your area. Common edible plants in your area. Common edible plants include dandelions, wild garlic, and blackberry. Foraging connects you with nature and provides fresh, organic ingredients. Number 10. Create a reusable gift wrap collection. Grandma reused gift wrapping. Create a collection of reusable gift wrap such as fabric, reusable bags, and decorative boxes. This reduces waste and saves money over time while also adding a unique touch to your gifts. Use scarves, cloth napkins, or fabric scraps for wrapping gifts in the Japanese furoshiki style. This not only looks beautiful but also promotes sustainability. Keep a stash of reusable items for birthdays, holidays, and other occasions. Number 11. Host skill-sharing workshops. Grandma often taught others her skills. Organize skill-sharing workshops where community members can teach each other valuable skills like knitting, canning, or carpentry. This builds community and saves money on classes or services. Rotate the hosting duties and cover a variety of topics. Participants can learn new skills without the cost of professional courses, and everyone benefits from the collective knowledge of the group. Number 12. Use natural pest control. Grandma used natural methods to keep pests away. Use ingredients like vinegar, essential oils, and diatomaceous earth to create natural pest control solutions for your home and garden. This is cheaper and safer than chemical alternatives. For example, use a vinegar and water solution to repel ants, or plant marigolds and basil to deter pests in your garden. Natural pest control methods are effective, environmentally friendly, and reduce the need for harmful chemicals. Number 13. Create a zero-waste kitchen. Grandma was an expert at minimizing waste. Implement zero-waste practices in your kitchen by using cloth instead of paper, composting food scraps, and avoiding single-use plastic. This reduces your environmental footprint and saves money. Start by using cloth napkins, beeswax wraps, and glass containers. Set up a compost bin for food scraps, which can then be used to enrich your garden soil. Buy in bulk to reduce packaging waste and bring your own containers to the store. Number 14. Plan frugal family outings. Grandma enjoyed simple pleasures. Plan frugal family outings such as picnics, hikes, and visits to local parks. These activities are low cost and provide quality time with loved ones without breaking the bank. Explore free community events, nature trails, and historical sites. Pack snacks or a picnic to avoid spending money on food. These outings create lasting memories and promote a healthy, active lifestyle. Number 15. Make your own pet supplies. Grandma made everything from scratch, including pet supplies. Create homemade pet food, toys, and bedding. This can be healthier for your pets and cheaper than store-bought alternatives. Use simple ingredients to make nutritious pet food and treats. Repurpose old blankets or clothes to create comfortable bedding. Make toys from safe household items like tennis balls, ropes, and cardboard tubes. Homemade pet supplies ensure your pets get quality products while saving money. Number 16. Establish a home economy system. Grandma managed a home economy system. Implement a similar system by setting up a home budget, tracking expenses, and finding ways to save on household items. This approach keeps your household finances organized and under control. Use a notebook or budgeting app to track all income and expenditures. Identify areas where you can cut costs, such as reducing utility bills or finding cheaper alternatives for groceries. Regularly review and adjust your budget to meet your financial goals. Number 17. Craft personalized gifts. Grandma's gifts were always personal and heartfelt. Craft personalized gifts such as homemade jams, knitted scarves, or custom photo albums. These gifts are more meaningful and often less expensive than store-bought items. Start a list of gift ideas throughout the year and work on them gradually. Personalized gifts show thoughtfulness and effort, making them cherished by recipients. Number 18. Use reclaimed materials. Grandma never let anything go to waste. Use reclaimed materials for DIY projects around the house. Old wood, fabric scraps, and glass jars can be repurposed into new, useful items, saving money and reducing waste. Create furniture from pallets. Make quilts from old clothes, or use jars for storage and decor. Reclaimed materials add character and sustainability to your projects. Number 19. Practice batch freezing. Grandma knew the value of preserving food. Cook large batches of meals and freeze them in portions. This saves time, reduces food waste, and ensures you always have a homemade meal ready when needed. Invest in good quality freezer containers and label each meal with a date. Batch freezing is perfect for busy days and helps you avoid the temptation of takeout. Number 20. Cultivate gratitude and mindfulness. Grandma appreciated the simple things in life. Cultivate gratitude and mindfulness by regularly reflecting on what you have and focusing on the positive. This mindset reduces the urge to spend on unnecessary items and promotes a fulfilling, contented life. Keep a gratitude journal and write down 3 things you are thankful for each day. Practice mindfulness through meditation, yoga, or simply being present in the moment. These practices enhance your overall well-being and help you appreciate life's blessings.